Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In today's class 1 mathematics, our today's topic is time. So we are going to learn how to know the time. For that I am using my wall clock to teach you the topic time. As you all can see, I have written some numbers over here. Firstly, I will introduce you with them. I have started number 12 over here. And then so many numbers are there on the board. But do you know why I have written them? As I wanted to teach you how we look at the time. So over here we are starting with number 1. I have written number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the 12 numbers we work on in the clock. In one clock, we take 2 rounds for completing one day. How is it? Our hand, our hour hand, that is the small one, it takes 2 rounds to complete one full day. That means it takes first round and reaches back to 12, and then again it starts from the 1 and then takes a full round and reaches back to 12. That means 12 plus 12 is 24. When you add 12 plus 12, your answer is 24. That means we have 24 hours in one day. How many hours we have in one day? We have 24 hours in one day. So I am writing down over here we have 24 hours in one day. To complete one day we have 24 hours. That's good? Now the next thing is we have 2 hands in our wall clock or in our watch, right? One hand is the small hand and the other hand is the longer one, right? The one is short, the one is big. The short hand is known as the hour hand. So I am writing over here the short hand. This is known as the hour hand. Fine. Whereas the hand which is longer, this is known as the minute hand. So we have 2 hands. We have one short hand and the other one is the minute hand, the longer one. I hope that much is clear to you all. Now let us see again how we read the time. I have already told you in my earlier class also, from 12 to 1. From 12 to 1, we have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the 5th one. That is the 5 minutes. Fine? When our minute hand moves from 12 and start coming from here, this is 1 minute. But if this is 1 minute, then how come this is 60? When we take a full round, when we are doing the full counting, then this is known as 60. But basically when we are starting up the numbers, जब हम टाइम देखना स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम इसे 60 रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करते. हम इसे 60 की तरह रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करते. We always says it to be o'clock. We call it o'clock. That is 00 minutes. 00 minutes. We call it o'clock. Fine. Like what? Like when we are talking about this one. This small hand represents the hour. That is the 1 hour. So we will write down like this. 1 and the longer hand, the minute hand is on the 12. 12 means o'clock. So we will write down over here 1 o'clock. We will call it 1 o'clock. To show you some more examples, I will write down some more time for you all and then I'll show you back over here. Let's see that. I'm removing this the hour hand from the 1, and I'm going to point out to a new number this time. Like I'm going to point it out towards the 10. So how we will write down over here? We will write down 10. First we will write down 10. And then where this point, the longer hand is pointing out, this is pointing towards the O clock. So we will write down 10 o'clock. Fine? So this is the way how we look at the time. This is the proper way how we look at the time. Thank you all. You can re-watch the video again if you have any query. All the best. Good day. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.